Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest gadgets and how to use them like a pro. Today, we're diving into the 2025 models of Onn speakers. Those affordable, reliable Bluetooth beasts from Walmart. If you've got one and you're struggling to connect it to your phone or another device, don't worry. I'll walk you through how to put your Onn speaker into pairing mode step by step. This is super easy and only takes a minute or two, so let's get started. First things first, make sure your Onn speaker is powered on. Grab the power button, it's usually on the top or side of the speaker, and press it until you see the LED light turn on. If your speaker has been sitting idle, it might take a second to boot up, so be patient. Once it's on, locate the pairing button. On most 2025 Onn models, this is a dedicated Bluetooth button, often labeled with a Bluetooth icon. If you can't find it, check the user manual or the bottom of the speaker for a small button that might say, Pair, or have a wireless symbol. Now, press and hold that pairing button for about 5 seconds. You'll know it's working when the LED light starts flashing blue or another color, indicating that the speaker is in discovery mode and ready to pair. Keep an eye on that light, it's your cue that everything's going smoothly. At this point, grab your phone, tablet, or computer and go to your Bluetooth settings. Search for available devices, and you should see your Onn speaker pop up in the list. Tap on it to connect, and you're good to go. If it doesn't connect right away, try moving closer to the speaker or restarting your device. A quick tip. If you're having trouble, ensure there are no other Bluetooth devices interfering, and make sure your speaker's firmware is up to date by checking the Onn app or website. This process works for most 2025 models, but always double-check for any model-specific variations. There you have it. You're now all set to enjoy wireless audio with your Onn speaker. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and I'll see you in the next video.